Yes, you can. There's a slight difference between the curriculum here in the Philippines and with other countries, but it all boils down to the same thing: understanding and, of course, memorizing information. There are three key points that I'd like to make. Number one, any information can be memorized through Anki. The power of active recall and spaced repetition has already been backed up by many researchers to be an effective means of memorizing information. Number two, Premade decks made in the US can be of use here in the Philippines. You can download Premade decks online, such as the Anki deck. It's just a matter of choosing the topics in that Anki deck that matches the current topic that you are studying on. Full video on using Premade decks will be linked here. Lastly, if you do not fancy using Premade decks but you are overwhelmed by the amount of topics that needs to be created into cards, well then, use the help of your friends for creating Anki cards. Divide the topics into manageable bites, distribute it to your friends, collect the topics, and then share them once you are done. Again, you can use Anki for studying medicine here in the Philippines. It worked for me. Who knows, it just might work for you. Hit that like button if you want more shorts like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.